guys, this your girl Riah monay. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video is basically gonna be like a little vlog, a little hospital vlog or whatever. I'm feeling a little better right now. I just getting my pain medicine, so I'm trying to get up and walk around so I won't get stiff. I just did my makeup, tried to, do a little something, make myself feel a little better. I think it's cute. The nurse said she liked it. So, but yeah, so we finna head down. Excuse me, y'all, I'm trying to I'm trying, y'all know how it is. If y'all ever had kids, want to be comfortable, relaxed. But, yeah, so we're finna head down to see our baby girl. Yeah, and I'll show it to you guys. Who wants to haven't seen her, I'll show it to you guys in this video. But yeah, we're finna head down there, spend some time with her, probably feed her if it's feeding time. So yeah, when I get down there and get back to you guys. Hey guys, we're here in the room with her. She's sleeping. I gotta be quiet because the other babies are sleeping too. But here she is. Hey, mama. She's asleep, guys. She's so cute. Look at her hair. Oh, I'm sorry. Mommy's sorry. I don't know.
Let's see. Why don't you come out here and I'll push it out, try to push it in that corner.
Okay.
Hey, those chairs do not want to move at all.
They're, they're very difficult to move around, for sure. Move her down.
How long has she been asleep?
A little while. She's been quiet over here. I'm not sure when the last time.
Whew.
So, not maybe 15 minutes or so.
Okay.
Not too much longer because she just fed her at 6 or 4:30.
Oh, okay. Do you know if she ate a whole bottle or?
I know she ate a lot. She's a great eater. She ate.
That's to be expected. She's a big girl.
45, so that's almost a whole bottle. Have you seen the formula bottles that we have?
They're up to 60, right?
She ate 60 maybe last time, and this time 45. She might have gotten a little tired, which is normal.
Yeah, I know she ate almost more than half of the bottle last night.
Last time I think it was 25. It was 5 away from an ounce.
Yeah, and then she ate a little bit more, and then she fell asleep. So cute. Yeah, she's so cute. I can't wait to bring her home. Hopefully we go home soon. But yeah, we're just sitting here. With her, she not too long ago went to sleep, so I don't want to wake her up.
You want to stop by later?
Yeah, we're probably finna head back to the room, y'all.
Before we come down?
Yeah, I don't want to wake her up.
My precious girl.
Daddy and his baby. She's sleeping, y'all. I'm gonna let her get her rest and go back to the room. Hopefully she sleep good like this at home for us.
Yeah. Well, when they first come out, they usually sleep more.
Sleep, eat, poop, pee.
Until they get to that month, and then they're more active during the day.
Yeah. And she's finally here. It's still hard to believe that I just had her. She have a head full of hair too. Well, yeah, guys, we're finna head back up to the room. I guess I'll get back with you guys when we get there. I'm gonna show you guys her again real quick. She's so cute. Look at her hair. I don't know, y'all can't see it that way. I think y'all can see it. Here. There you go. Give her a kiss real quick. That's where we go. Mommy loves you. So precious. Alrighty. Hey guys, we were supposed to be doing like a little vlog with our baby girl and everything. We're feeding her and spending time with her, but she was asleep, so we'll go back down there later. But right now, we was, you know what I'm saying, somebody gave us a little something, so now we're finna go down here to the gift shop and look at some stuff. You know what I'm saying? Look at some stuff for her, maybe for us, maybe for our kids, whatever we can find if it's not expensive, because if it is, then we'll leave it. But he over here playing with the fucking bed like a kid. Y'all see this? He's in my bed playing with the fucking remote.
Don't do that.
And then it's like a chair mode. He go lay it down. Well, lay the bottom down on some bed. Come get in your chair. Good. Anyway, y'all probably wondering why I changed, but y'all realize I had on a different shirt in the last clip, but I got a hot. Had to take it off, but makeup was cute. I like that. Y'all let me know if y'all want to see me doing makeup tutorials or, you know what I'm saying, a little something, because I've been practicing and I got better. I haven't like showed it on camera or any pictures or anything, but I've gotten a lot better with the makeup, everything. So let me know if that's something y'all want to see me do. So yeah, we're finna, well, I don't know if you want to go, but I know I want to go down here to the gift shop. So just, you know what I'm saying, look around, see if we can find something, you know what I'm saying, just to get out the room, to move around.
I had a spiffer bed up for him.
Yeah, he done make my bed up for me. He's so sweet. Yeah, I tell you, he's so sweet. He's so sweet. No, he can be an asshole, but I love him. He's so sweet. Yeah. I thank God for him every day being here. But yeah, we finna head down here, so I'll see y'all when we get there. Hey guys, we're in the elevator now, heading down to the gift shop. So yeah, we're finna see what we can find for baby or for ourselves.
Expensive down there.
Yeah, houses are expensive, so
Expensive as fuck.
I got makeup on my
$1.50
Ooh.
for a small bottle of drink.
I feel like I just fall. Alright, so gonna go in here and see what we can find. Hi. Oh, they got a lot of stuff in here. Let's go. Hi. So, I don't know. A lot of nice stuff. Ooh, earrings. Yeah, I see something. I might treat myself. They got jewelry boxes on sale for $10. Oh, this is cute. Nickel free. Oh, that's good. Trying to see. Yeah, I like these. They don't caught my eye, so I think I'm gonna get it. And I need me some earrings anyway, so I think I'm gonna get them. I'm gonna get these, and then that's probably it. Or a necklace or something. Maybe think I should get these. It's cute. It's cute. Look. 3 necklaces. I don't know. I'm gonna go over here on the other side and look around too. But I know for sure I'm finna get these earrings, y'all. Cause they're cute. Trying to see if there's anything else. No. You see anything for her? I got pacifiers and stuff for me. Really?
Happy pill.
That's cute. Oh, it's a ball. Like for,
Big.
what? Oh. Look, babe, this is a LED light. I mean, an LED light. Porcelain LED night light.
Only bad things when it falls.
Yeah. Oh, a piggy bank. Did you get a piggy bank for her? We got change at the house. Don't you? Don't go on my change no more. I'm a big sister. Oh, I'm gonna get these for Riah and Lucy. Let's go. Get one for JoJo. I'm a big sister. I'm a big brother. I'm gonna get these ones. Oh. This stuff is so cute. They don't have a end.
Oh.
What the hell? I told you it was expensive.
That's why I didn't want to count.
Babe, no, look at this. Look at it.
Oh, hell no.
Wow. Yo. This onesie right here for a onesie. Bro. Chad. You know what I can do with that? It's like 4 packs of wipes. It's like 4 packs of wipes. So I think this is it. Get them their bracelets. Oh my God, babe. What the?
I'm telling you everything.
Okay. I'm not gonna flip.
$50 for
Yeah, I'm just still looking at stuff. I got some perfume. Oh, ma'am, how much you guys' perfume? Like the bottles over here? $15. There's some nice stuff in here. Oh, we got some wallets. Ah. Oh, it's a nice bag too. How much is it? What's that? Oh, it's a little decoration. Boy. I'm not. Ooh, babe, you come pick this up for me. Oh, shoot. I'm making stuff for all y'all. I should just. It's in front of me. The purse. Basically, I need something like this to take with me when I go.
Yeah.
It's $30 though. They real nice though. I ain't gonna lie. These purses up here, y'all, they nice. So, I don't know. Yeah, when I decide what I want, I'll show y'all. Hey y'all, we back. We got back from the gift shop. Before we start, we finna do a little thing. We just got a, well, not dinner, but whatever you want to call it. We just wanted something to eat.
Meal.
Yeah, a little meal before dinner. But ain't gonna lie, these chicken sandwiches be good as hell, and they big, y'all.
Oh yeah, these chicken sandwiches by far are the best item on their list.
And then they got us some fries.
They're different. The last time they gave us like crinkle fries. This time it's like potato wedges, but they're like chips.
Yeah, what he said. But anyway, before we get into this video, let's talk about this gift shop. Now, we're going here, right? I'm gonna show you what I got in a minute, but we're going here. And
for onesies, $50.
That onesie, y'all gonna see it in the clip before this one. That onesie said $50. Now ain't nothing on it, ain't no lettering, ain't no customized.
It's just plain gray and white.
Well, I think it was pink or something like that. But it's just a color. That's it. You got like the little ruffles on that little sparkle. Now, who in their right mind finna pay $50 for that? Come on now. And then fucking he picked up some nail polish that I seen. That bitch said $10 for one bottle of nail polish. Something I can get from the dollar store.
The other ones were $15. The one I got you was $9 because there's
but I'm saying like other one was $10, $11, $12, and then he got a fucking what did you pick up? Oh, it's like a little glass plant thing. It was small. That bitch said
you put on a desk or so.
Yeah, it said $10. Like, are y'all crazy?
Well, honestly, I was about to get it.
Yeah, but and then the plain wallet was like, how much was that plain wallet?
I didn't even look at the wallets. They were plain.
It was a plain wallet, and I think it was like $15. It just had a color, nothing special, no design or nothing. I just think it's just too much. Yeah. Now I understand y'all. You know what I'm saying? I'm saying people can price their shit at what they want to price it at, but. You know what I'm saying? Think about people that can't afford stuff when y'all doing it.
Shit, they think it's just Orlando.
Not just you know what I'm saying? Because we is in Orlando. And, you know what I'm saying? Just, people out here got many whatever stuff. This is what I got, y'all. I got some nail polish. They say he liked the color, and I wanted to paint my nails.
Show them the price.
So, yeah. This is what I just paid for that. $8.36, y'all. And I got my babies some bracelets. I got
I didn't even see the price on those.
Yeah, these rubber bracelets like $2.79. It says I'm a big sister. I got this one for my baby Riah. And then this one says I'm a big sister as well. I got this one for my baby Lucy. And then of course I got the it says I'm a big brother. I'm gonna get those to them. Oh, right here. And he gonna try his smoothie without me. Hold on, y'all. It's called. I want us to try them together, and then we go switch, and I'm gonna see which one is better.
Oh, I don't know about that one.
I hope mine's not nasty.
You can keep that one.
Just try it. Come on.
I don't like pineapple.
It's not pineapple. It is?
Mango and pineapple, I think it said.
Oh, okay. It is pineapple.
This one's actually really good. Jamaican craze.
It tastes a little bit.
I'm telling you.
Yeah.
I don't like either of them, pineapple or mango. Well, mango's alright.
It's alright, y'all.
Not the pineapple.
It's alright, but it ain't all what I thought it was gonna be. Anyway.
This one's really good though.
You got that. He got him some candy. Some Sour Patch Kids. I don't know how much those was. But
probably just like
and then I got me some earrings. They came in this little box. It's cute. But I got me some earrings.
Yeah. I got my baby a rose.
Oh yeah, and he put out a rose for me. They're so cute. I'm gonna put some in now. I ain't had earrings in so long. Because every time I get them, I end up losing them. So I just stopped buying them at one point.
All the small stuff.
I don't really like small ones either. Because they get lost real quick. Fucking hole, I can put it in there. Boy, what are you doing? What you just did in my head?
What happened?
What you just did in my head?
I love you, honey boo boo.
I love you too. But yeah, y'all, I'm gonna have to force myself to eat. I would just let this food sit here and not eat it.
Like your lunch?
Like, I had ordered some muffins earlier, and they just sat there.
Your muffins are still sitting there.
Yeah, one of them still sitting there. I ate like 2 bites out of one of them, and I just threw it away when we came in here.
But then you got a whole big ass lunch, and you only took like a few bites out of everything.
Well, see, I told you I was fucking about to eat.
The best part. It's not as thick as it was.
Yeah. Yeah, that's what we got. And then, of course, like I said, he got me little rolls. So, yeah. Just on this stuff, guys, we spent 30-something. I mean, $30 and some change just on that alone. It's ridiculous. But I wanted me some nice earrings, and they had a deal. It was $10 for that pack, and I wanted to get my babies those bracelets. Because they are big sisters and a big brother now. I know they go like them. But yeah, I'm gonna try to eat. Oh yeah, I wanted some pretzels, right? And we went to the vending machine to get pretzels. And the machine ate our money. And the pretzels that I wanted to get wasn't this kind, because I really don't like this kind. It was a different kind. And this lady, I told the lady at the in the cafeteria at the register, and she just gave me these.
You said you want your change back. And
I told her I wanted my money back. She asked me how much. I said it's just $125. She said, okay, then what do you want? I said, you can just give us the change back. That's it. And she's like, so you didn't get your change back? And I said, no. I said, the machine ate it. So she said, you got the product. I said, no, we didn't get it. Like, what? So she said, I said, I was just trying to get some pretzels. She's like, oh, well, you want some from here? I said, yeah, sure. So she got me these. Another.
A bigger bag, and she gets us a small one.
Yeah, the bag that I was paying for was bigger than that one. And they taste better. These be having, like, too much salt on it. Like, I don't be liking that.
Don't do that.
They do be having too much salt. But, y'all, we finna eat. I'm finna try to eat at least half of my sandwich and most of these fries. Or if not at least most of the fries. Because I hate forcing myself to eat. And it be hurting my stomach. Because, you know, I had a C-section. So, like, my incision
be hurting. Like, I don't know, I guess because I be full and stuff.
I think it's just their food because they're like, I'll take a few bites and damn near be full off of everything.
Yeah, I'm saying, like, I'll be full too, but like it be paining. Like, it's not a full feeling. It's like a paining feeling. And I don't like that. I told these people no onion, and they gave me an onion anyway. They gave me this big ass onion, y'all. Big ass onion. I'm gonna use my lettuce though. I don't never use the tomato. What is this? Coming off the onion.
Onion skin. That's a layer.
That's nasty. I'm not even asking pickles either. I said no pickles. And then for dessert, y'all, we got a cheesecake.
I don't know what that slither is gonna do, but.
Boy, it's no shit there. You know, he's talking shit. Yeah, he stays talking shit. Especially when it comes to food.
Like you haven't?
I know.
Like this video alone?
No. See, I'm talking about prices and shit, but yeah, we don't play about our food though. So, no, especially, well, I mean, we're not paying for it, but still, like, it's the principle of just getting it right. Just because somebody not paying for something don't mean you should just fucking do it how you want to do it, or fucking just say fuck it and, you know, we still guests at the hospital. So technically, I am paying for it. My insurance paying for it.
They half-ass me.
So,
oh, it's already running.
yeah, we not complaining, y'all. I promise you. We not, like, that tight. It's just the principle. Well, I'm not.
I'm a dick.
That's not something that you should be proud of. You can't be an asshole. You get my freaking nerves with it, too.
No, but I'm the sweet one, too, right behind it. I'm a Sour Patch Kid.
No,
Sweet, sour,
he
gone.
fucking, he'll be an asshole 1 minute. And
Kiss
then
love on you.
he try to, he's sweet though. I ain't gonna lie, he's sweet. Sweeter than most dudes. I know. He's a good dude. So trust me, if he wasn't, I wouldn't be with him.
Shit, everybody knows I'm not a mean person.
Yeah.
I'm pretty sure.
People that actually know you.
Yeah.
But I mean, if they don't know you, they'll think you like kind of. Because he's not a social person, y'all. He don't socialize with people like that. Which is one thing that I love about him, because I hate a friendly ass, socializing ass nigga that like to fucking be on every scene and be in everybody's face. And just always just doing the most.
I only talk to like a handful of people.
I don't like that, so I like to do this laid back. It ain't gotta be all the people face or bitches' faces and shit. That shit is not cute and it's irritating as fuck. So, but anyway, after me just chit chatting and rambling, I'm sorry, I gotta put a lot of. Y'all probably think, yeah, I'm girl, you putting a lot of ketchup, but I got to, cause I don't like my food like that. But yeah, I'm gonna say my grace, y'all.
Giving us condiments in a shot glass.
Yeah, I like these little cups though. I should collect them. Amen. Y'all think I just got a message? I ain't even start eating. And we already 12 minutes into the video.
What happened? Babe? What happened?
Oh, no, I said we already 12 minutes into the video. And I didn't even start eating yet.
10 minutes?
13 minutes.
Holy shit. That much time has passed already?
Mm-hmm. Alright, y'all. I'm finna start eating. My bad. Alright, there's from 2 to 6.
I'm almost done eating. You're just starting.
Y'all said I'm in. Cause I don't even have an appetite, bro. Yeah, and I really don't. I really don't have an appetite. But I gotta eat, so. Y'all know they're gonna be coming in soon. Check on all you're gonna eat in. So you can check your sugar. So. Yeah, I don't know if it's just me, but I love watching people eat cornstarch. I love watching people eat cornstarch. I eat it too. I know it's bad for you. And I'm trying my hardest to stop eating it. But it's like so addictive. It's so good. It tastes so good. But everything is good and good for you. Oh shit.
What?
I forgot about the cornstarch chunks that I put in the freezer.
Oh. Well, you don't need them anyways. You're okay.
They gonna be frozen. I just feel like I had to throw up. I just feel like I had to throw up. Damn.
Excuse me. Sorry. I like this shit.
I see that. You know, I also like to watch people eat play. Like, I like the sound of it.
I shouldn't have got one.
Why you don't want it? Yeah, me either. I don't want mine either, but.
Well, you want this one? It's different.
I guess you can sit right there at night. y'all, let me put y'all on to something. On YouTube, there's a channel called True Crime Daily. He don't like it, but I like it. Y'all should go in there and watch their videos for real, for real. Like, it be like crimes that's like real, like people getting away with murder or like dismembering bodies and shit. It tells like a story of like, for example, a happy couple, or rich couples. They be having, you know what I'm saying, nice family, whatever. And one of them end up killing each other, or you know what I'm saying, try to cover it up, or somebody, you know what I'm saying, a crazy stalker ex come back and try to kill you. I mean, a crazy stalker ex come back and try to, you know what I'm saying, get you back. You don't want to get back with them, and they try to kill you or kill you. And then I seen this one show where this girl, well, she was a little girl at first, and she's like 13, and then this dude was like 19, and he's staying in the neighborhood, and she grew up or whatever. Like, he used to have a crush on her, but he was too old. You feel me? So she told her mama. They eventually got like a restraining order on him, so he couldn't come by their house. It's 1,000 feet and all stuff of her or their house and stuff. But when she grew up, she moved away from the town, and you know what I'm saying, she never heard from him, seen him again, nothing like that. When she had grew up, when she went away, and then her parents ended up passing away, and so she came back home because, you know what I'm saying, she had to clean up the house and collect all that stuff, whatever. When she came back, it turns out that the boy that was obsessed with her when she was younger was the one that killed her parents. And he killed her parents because he knew that would bring her back to her home, basically her hometown. And so when she came back, weird stuff started happening, like bricks getting thrown through the window, or like dead cats getting left on the fucking step, like the front porch and stuff like that. And so she didn't think nothing of it. She thought it was like some kids in the neighborhood, you know what I'm saying, just doing crazy stuff. And so she kind of like brushed it off, and then she said one night she woke up and she actually seen somebody in her house, and it wasn't like a kid. Like, they were standing at her bedroom door, staring at her, dressed all black with a mask on. She said her heart dropped, and she said, "Who are you? Why are you in my house?" And she said they didn't say nothing, just like turned around and just ran out of the house after just standing there for like 3 minutes just looking at her. And I was like, oh, hell no. But she said she called police or whatever. Turns out he had broken, like, she got this like little thin window on the side of her door, and he broke that window and stuck his hand in and unlocked the door and stuff. And she had found out that it was the dude from the neighborhood. She found out that he had killed her parents, and that he was like terrorizing her because she left him when she knew he was in love with her, and she just left him. She abandoned him. So he's like mad about it. It was crazy, y'all. I'm telling you, they got some good shit on there. And then it was this one where this lady dismembered her husband because she called him cheating. She like literally she got fed up after the cheating or whatever, after she found out, she found out he was cheating, and she just kept it a secret and didn't tell him that she knew. And so one day she got fed up. She said he came home, she ran him a bath, and you know what I'm saying, just like kind of like to, you know what I'm saying, get him relaxed and shit. And when he came out the bathroom, she hit him over the head with a skillet, knocked him out. And then she drugged his body in the bathroom, in the bathtub, and dismembered him. Like, she cut his head off first, and then his arms and his legs. And then she said she realized she couldn't move his torso, like just this part by itself. So she ended up going to the store and getting like Austin, seriously, you so fucking, you irritating. But she ended up going to the store and getting like this fucking, y'all know little, what's the little things called?
What?
That you like stack stuff up on
Crates?
and you move it, like you carry another thing with the wheels. The trolley or some shit like that? It's one of those. You know how like the people, they be fucking, delivering stuff to the store, the little wheel thing that they fucking stack stuff on the roller. She got one of those to put his body in the garbage bag and put his body on that and move him out to her car.
Dolly.
Yeah, a dolly. And so that's how she moved his body out the house. And then she like cut up all his credit cards and his ID and stuff, just making it like he disappeared. But the police ended up finding all the stuff in the trash, y'all. Like, cause they don't have to have a warrant to get your trash. At that point, you done put it out there. You know what I'm saying? Free access. So they ended up finding all of that, and then they put her up under surveillance. And she caught up with everything. She had cleaned up, everything like that. But she left a trace because she used her card to pay for the stuff that she bought. Like a whole murder cleanup kit type thing. Like, and then there's a couple of them on there where people don't even fucking get caught. Like, some people be on the run and they never get found. Like, I don't see how people can just disappear into thin air like that. Like, you never really get found. Like, you basically get away with murder. Or you killed somebody, but you made it look like a suicide. And now these people, family is grieving because you killed them, but you're not getting prosecuted because they don't have enough evidence or anything to prove that you did it. Like, I don't be getting those type of stories. I be feeling bad. Or like when people do get caught and they do get prosecuted and they have all the evidence that they need besides the body to prosecute you. I be feeling bad because like you really not gonna tell this family where you buried their loved one at. Like you just gonna let them go on and like not knowing.
There's like some cases where like the people just don't care about the person who like got killed or so because of what they've done and so on. At that point, they just throw it out and the person's set free because how bad of a person really was or who he, you know.
Yeah, there's some stuff on there like that too. But then you got some of the cases where it's just like weird. Like I feel like some of these people that be doing these crimes be getting away with it because it's like an inside. They got somebody on the inside that's like helping them. Like either a judge paid off, officers, somebody getting paid off. Because you're not finna tell me that you got all this evidence against this person. The last person to talk to this person, the last person to see them alive, any fucking thing. You know what I'm saying? And then you got them, they cell phone pinging at the last known place where this person was. And then both of their phones is pinging in the same area, but only one of them is leaving, and then the other one just goes silent. So you telling me, if me and Austin was somewhere, right, and both of our cell phones pick up in the same area, and he leaves, and you can tell that he done left the area, and mine's just there, and then it just go completely silent, and nobody hear from me, that y'all not finna suspect that he done did something? Like, come on now, girl, I be getting into it. Sometimes I be getting mad. I be having to turn it off, but it's real good. Y'all go check it out. I know, it's about like 30 minutes. I told y'all, like, I'm probably gonna try to finish this. I'm gonna try. Because I need to eat something. I need to get my strength and nutrition back.
Or you don't want to make it too long. You don't want to watch it.
But yeah. Boy, he always tell me anybody go watch the video because it's gonna be too long. Boy.
They might get halfway through like, oh, let's still go.
Anyway. I'm gonna close it out, y'all. So I'm probably not gonna eat, but. And I'm just rambling anyway. But y'all let me know what y'all want to see us do. Y'all gotta give us ideas. Like, come on now. Blow the comments up with ideas. Like, inbox me ideas. Comment on something. Ideas. And go watch our previous videos. But yeah. So
shit, challenges, you know?
Yeah, challenges,
Q&As.
all that. Q&As.
Smoke and chill.
Well, he could do the fucking smoke and chill session. Well, I can, you know what I'm saying, do a little drink, you know what I'm saying, now that I done drop. But anyway, y'all let us know what y'all want to see in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, click that bell so you know every time I post a video. And yeah, let us know what y'all want us to do on the channel. You know what I'm saying? We coming back to back with videos. Alright, trying to get back on the roll. You feel me? I'm slacking, but we go get back to it. So yeah, I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.